Here's an IKEA. How many watts is it? 11 watt CFL bulb. So this is triple tube CFL, not the swirling one. You see right here, it's triple tube, and I believe these are made by Megaman. If I'm not mistaken, because the little U down there, instead of like a standard like triple tube side on the other side, you can tell the other side is a U on there. I actually do remember the IKEA triple tube CFLs as a kid. I might have had a children's lamp that had one. I know I had the lamp pan, a red IKEA lamp pan. I might have used a triple tube CFL for that. So let's put it in here and test it. Some Christmas lights. So here it is. You see it warm up there? It's kind of pink. Let's turn the light off so you can see it. Kind of looks dim, but it's gonna warm up. I actually like LED bulbs. LED bulbs are much efficient, but CFLs actually warm up pretty great. I like the triple tube ones, especially because they're pretty unique looking. Unique. I can see it's pink in person, but in the camera it's kind of white. I couldn't use that lamp because I had nowhere to plug it in, so I'm going to have to use this light for light testing. For light bulb. I actually remember the bear one. I might have had the E12 bear one as a kid. The lamps used to have them, but I got rid of them. But I don't know the E26 one. You mostly commonly find them E27 in the UK. Because E27 is a UK base. And I actually remember the spiral ones, the spiral fade electric bulbs as a kid, but those are too common in America. Actually, the triple tube ones are more unique in America, which is the Philips Marathon Universal Alto actually has the triple tube, but does not have the U shape. It's just standardized like the PLT Alto. Getting brighter. Actually, IKEA actually discontinued their CFL bulbs in 2016, maybe 17. I don't know. And they only sell LEDs now, which I really like their CFL bulbs with their unique design. getting brighter. So yeah, turn the backlights back on. John. So that is it. That's the IKEA 60 watt 11 watt CFL bulbs. Thanks for watching. Bye.